Terrorism has been happening in India for quite some time. We call it cultural terrorism because there's no arms or ammunition involved. It's all a lot of press and stopping our films or disrespecting an artist or impeding his progress in his profession. I did that, and they smiled and they shook hands with me and they said, "You're our brother, we know it, we'd like to see the film." I showed them the film, they shook hands with me, walked out and lit the fire. My brothers have misunderstood me. I think they must have more tolerance and understand the work of art from where it's coming from. And I'm sure that these few do not represent the majority. Like you said, how can one judge make a call for so many people like that? How can a few Muslims talk on behalf of the whole community? Because I know people who have liked the film and they're Muslims. As a matter of fact, there have been many Muslims in the censor board or the certification board, as it's called now, and they have seen the film and they had no complaints. It is a concern, and I mean, art is something. I mean, criticism. The highest form of criticism is violence. When you can't have any more words or debate or dialogue,